Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily find the exported video on CapCut PC. So let's say I want to export this video and later I'm going to show you how you can find the exported video. So here you can actually find or easily find the folder where this video will be saved by clicking on this folder icon. You can see this is the export to option, so click on that and you'll see the exporting path in here, and later the project will be saved in this folder. So you can just remember the name of the folder, and after that click on export and just wait until it finish. Okay, so you so after the project has been exported like this, you can easily find the project by clicking on this open folder, and then the folder that this video saved will be open, and here how you can find the project. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.